How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issues on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issues on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to restart your phone and router. Hold power button on your Android phone or any device and then swipe towards restart. You can turn Wi-Fi off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. The second step that you need to follow is to forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. For that, go to Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on Wi-Fi Network. Then here you can easily tap on Forget Network button and reconnect by entering your password. The third thing is you can easily check for the software updates. For that, go back to the Settings, tap the search bar, and type in Update. List of update along with software update will appear on your screen. Now tap on Software Update and you can easily install and update if there is any pending updates. So by following all this step, your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issues on Android will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.